Hey everyone, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and in today's video it's going to be sort of like a tutorial slash show and tell of how I organize my digital sticker collection in GoodNotes. So stick around to see how I do it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm currently using GoodNotes 5 on my iPad Pro, and this is where I keep up with all of my stickers and my planners, my notebooks and everything. And as you can see, I have a pretty hefty digital sticker collection right now. So, sorry, my dog was having a little moment. You okay? Okay, so I have a pretty hefty sticker collection and I've got a little bit of everything in here, and I normally try to keep it pretty organized, but I've kind of let it get out of hand, so I thought today would be a perfect time to take a look at a few different ways that you can organize your digital sticker collection in GoodNotes. I'll show you how I do it and then throw out some other ideas. So this is all keeping in GoodNotes instead of, keeping it somewhere else. So one way you can do it is you can add a folder inside GoodNotes and label it for the vendor. Like if you have multiple sticker sets for each vendor, you can create a folder for each vendor and then store them all in there. Now we're in my sticker folder inside GoodNotes. I have a few different folders, and this one's specifically designated for stickers. So this is one way that you can keep everything organized. You create one for Calypso, that's me. Create one for the Digital Siren, one for Ink and Pine, Lux Books, any of those great shops. That's one way you can organize. So another way that you can organize is by creating categories. So you could create a folder for holiday sticker sets. You could create one for functional sticker sets, anything like that. So you get the idea of how all these stickers work. So right now I'm sorting by name. You can sort by type, which puts your folders first, and then it puts your sticker books that are loose after that. And you can also sort your stickers by date, and it shows you your most recent additions to your collection. I personally like to sort my stickers by the names, and that makes it easier for me because I can go in and I can rename the files and put the vendor name at the front and then the collection. So you can tap on the name of your digital sticker set and write over whatever name comes on it, or add to it. I'm putting CCP for Calypso Creative Planning, and I do space, hyphen space, and then the name of the set. And so that's kind of how I'm going to go through and organize all of these, so that whenever I sort by name, it's going to put it in alphabetical order so that all from one vendor is together and all from another vendor is together. And I just realized, you guys, I'm talking with my hands. You cannot see me, but I'm still talking with my hands. But you get the idea. So this one, I've got A2K Designs. I've got a couple sets from her. So I just make sure, and I'm a little matchy. I like to make sure it's done exactly the same way, capitalized. That's not hugely important, it's the letters, but if you are using dashes like this, that will make a difference as to how it sorts. So just keep that in mind. Like this one, I'm doing Ink and Pine and then space, hyphen space, and since I'm sorting by name, it shoves it down, alphabetically. And this is from a a set that I got. It was a bundle from Holly Pixels. I have to go back and figure out the exact vendor. So for now, I'm just putting HP for Holly Pixels since it was, a big set with tons of stickers. So yeah, so just go through and name all of these so that I can sort alphabetically, and it keeps everything in order, and it's super simple. And there's a lot going on, so I'm just gonna speed through this because now you get the idea.